this is the Brunswick 300 series. Now, this is another great value guitar. It's at the lower end of the price scale, but there's in this guitar, between this and the 200 series, you have a built-in tuner and a built-in pickup. So it's pretty good, solid guitar again, with a cut in here as well. If you want to do some fancy playing up here. So I mean, again, just great quality guitar, lovely crisp sound there. Listen to that G there. And the lovely, very full, deep sound. There's a lovely deep sound out of this. Again, suitable for anybody from 15, 16 upwards, you know. Gorgeous little guitar, just playing a little bit of it there. You can hear that lovely bass sound. Really nice. So again, great value, great value.